I'm not really sure of what to think these guys are doing here. Maybe a little trim tab would help them keep that nose down. I'm not sure if they got a little prop ventilation going on, but something's definitely happened to keep them bouncing all over the place. Welcome back to Boats vs. Haulover. It is your boy Broncos Guru, and this is that show where man and machine take on Mother Nature in a fierce battle down at Haulover Inlet in the Miami area. Let's go ahead and get this episode started and see who can pull out the win this week, whether it's the boats or Haulover Inlet. Our first competitor this week to come in and take battle with Haulover Inlet is going to show us what it's like to do it with an air ride. Well, an air ride means they're on an airship boat. Here these guys go come and haul and tail through here, and things look pretty good for them. They catch a little air here and there, but overall, this is a pretty solid ride. And if this is what we got in store today, this might be an easy win for the boats, but this round definitely goes to the boats. Our second boater this week is going to show us what it's like to try and battle Haulover Inlet when Haulover gets the assist. Haulover doesn't typically need an assist, but this week it does as waves are down a little bit calm. This cat's going to come through, and all of a sudden Haulover is going to throw a ray at it. It is throwing anything it can to try and get a win this week. Even though this cat still blasts through Haulover pretty easily, I'm going to go ahead and give this round to Haulover just because it threw everything it could at this thing except for the kitchen sink to try and get the win. The boaters battling Haulover in our third round is going to show us what it's like when Haulover gets another assist from a ray. This time it's not going to be a ray though, it's going to be a sea ray boat. That's right, these guys are coming through Haulover a little bit slower than they probably should, but this is a pretty heavy boat, but they're going to show us what it's like even on a calm day to come through Haulover in a boat this size. It can be a rough, jarring experience. These guys are throwing a lot of spray off the bow, and I bet there's stuff tossed all over the inside of the cabin, so I'm going to go ahead and give this round to Haulover even though it really was a pretty close round. I'm pretty sure our fourth round features a repeat guest. That's right, somebody else who's been featured here on Boats vs. Haulover before, except it looks like they might have learned their lesson this time. These guys, I'm pretty sure a few episodes back, came hauling tail through Haulover with their wives in the bow of this boat, water splashing everywhere, laughing and having a good time. But you know what? It looks like the wives got the win in the end because it looks like they've decided they're going to slow it down coming through here this time. I'll go ahead and give the boats the win on this round also. And here in the fifth and final round, we'll play one of my favorite games, Can She Hang On, to see who takes the win this week. Here we've got these two ladies coming through Haulover, hauling tail on a jet ski. Can they hang on? Can they pull it together? Can the boats get the win this week? And you know what? It looks like it. Unbelievably, they take it down and the boats get the win. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to check out our other two channels. We've got Wavy Boats, who gets all this great footage of Haulover Inlet for us. Also, go check out my channel, Broncos Guru. Over there, we do some great comedy boating videos, and we'd love you guys to check these channels out also. If you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button. That's right, subscribe. It's free. Hang out. We love having you guys around. Also, let us know in the comments below what you thought about our picks this week. Did we get any of them wrong? If so, light up the comment section and let us know why. Thanks, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good one.